Hi guys, welcome back to Aero Aviation. Today I will be reviewing the Condor 757-200 with the special rare Rizzi bird livery right in front of you. Just a bit of history for you. I read this off the internet. The reason for the Rizzi bird livery is because back in the 1970s, I believe, it says inside as well here, in 1996, the year of Condor's 40th anniversary, the airline made one of the most famous pop artists, James Rizzi, design one of their planes. Over the years, this has become world famous under the name Rizzi bird. So that's pretty interesting. Just a little bit of history. I do like this model. It's very colourful and it is different. This is it doesn't have any winglets, and I bought this off eBay secondhand. Not too bad quality, just a little wearing of the box, but you expect that from secondhand. No damage or nothing. It's all nice. At the back you got the dimensions and I'm guessing that's German. This is a German aircraft. So yeah, wingspan, roughly length and height. As you can see, it is very colourful with that woman. Is that a cat and the man, the bird there. The aircraft on the side again. I'm not sure what that is. Gemini Jets. Is that Gemini Jets 2? I'm not entirely sure about that. So I will go and open up this model now, and then we can have a better look. Just close this up. Put it behind like that. Take this off. So then, put it on the box and you'll be able to see it. There we go. First impressions, it is very beautiful and colourful, like I've said before. Condor, this is my first Condor, which I'm happy about. Very, very colourful. I'll zoom in a bit to show you. You can see very bright colours. And you'll be able to see that stand out up in the sky or on the airport ground. This aircraft wasn't very expensive. It was about £23, £25, so not too bad. And I was like, it looks rare. It must be rare. I like it. I'm having it. So I bought it. I'll just put it on here. Shove it down there. So there we go. There we go. I will be, like I said in the other video, I will be getting some ground vehicles. Once I have, I will, whenever I do more reviews or airport updates, you will see some ground vehicles. So it won't be just the aircraft. So there it is on a map. Then let's put it on a little stand like so. It doesn't fit. That's strange. Doesn't matter. I'll keep it on here like this because I like it like that. I do like this model very well. Not much more information on this model, just apart from I do like it, I do recommend it, and it wasn't very expensive either, which I was pleased about. But apart from that, I've got nothing else to say, to be honest. So until next time, or my next update or review, I will see you soon. Bye.